Okay, so here we go. Which of these grapes is commonly grown in South Africa? Is it Glera, Semillon, Chenin Blanc, or Gamay? Which of these is the most common in South Africa or commonly grown in South Africa? What do we think here? South Africa.
Here we go. Got some.
Okay. Couple coming in.
Okay, so we have some answers coming in. Overwhelmingly Chenin.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to put the letters on this slide. Yes, it is. It is in fact Chenin Blanc. I made a last minute change, and there you have it. So it is Chenin Blanc. Glera. Anybody know what country or where we typically see Glera grapes? What actually? Let's do this. What wine do we see making? We make with Glera. Very famous wine right now. Very popular wine. Glera grape makes what wine?
Ooh, that's a great bonus. That's a
Throw a
great
guess
bonus
out there.
question. So, which wine of the world, famous wine of the world right now, is made from the Glera grape?
Yes, which, and I'm not giving you choices. You're just going to have to come up with it yourself. Actually, we could make every one of these answers into a fun question.
Okay. Well, we got smarty pants here too. So
Yes, we
I'll
do.
throw on a couple of these answers.
Yep. Okay. So a lot of the answers are coming in correct. It is Prosecco from Italy. I know somebody mentioned Cava. Cava would be from Spain, but it is a sparkling wine. But yes, Italian Prosecco is, of course, the only Prosecco is made from the Glera grape. Very good. Now, I do have one official follow-up question to Chenin Blanc. So, Chenin Blanc is often just called Chenin Blanc, as we saw on that previous label in South Africa, but it also has another name. So, what would be the other name? Would it be A, Spätburgunder, B, Steen, C, Ariel, or D, Steiner? So, what do we think is the other name for Chenin Blanc in South Africa? Boy, Frank gave us a good answer on Prosecco. What is the other name for Chenin Blanc in South Africa? Spätburgunder, Steen, Ariel, or Steiner?
Okay, we've got a little.
I'm kind of thinking I made these questions a little too easy, Christian. I
Yeah.
got my game.
And we also have usually the smartest Facebook fans joining us for these
Yes,
trivia
we do.
challenges. So we
That's true.
have overwhelmingly B
Good
as the
job,
answer.
everybody. Yes, it is. In this case, you see it says free run Steen. So Steen is, in fact, when I first started learning about South African Chenin Blanc, that was the predominant name. Now more people call it just Chenin.